Good morning, my dear students, grade 4. Hope you are doing very well today. Today is Monday, 16th of March 2020. Are you ready for our lesson today? Great. Today our lesson is about spelling. We will learn about words with double consonants. Now, before I introduce my lesson, I need my dear students to take a look at these words. What is common in these words? Let's take a look together. Midden, gutter, address, difficult. Now, what is common in these words? Exactly. Good job. Did you see double T? Did you see double T? Did you see double D? Did you see double F? Yes. Two consonants together in one word. Together. Words with double consonant. Some words are spelled with double consonants. Now, what does it mean, double consonants? Double consonants are two consonants that appear together in a word. Together in a word. Double means what? Two. Consonants mean what? Let's make a quick revision about our previous lesson. As we know that we have 26 alphabets in English, from A to Z. A, E, I, O, and U. These are called vowels. We have 5 vowels. The remaining alphabets or the remaining letters, we call them consonants. For example, B, C, D, F, and so on. In today's lesson, we have some specific rule to be followed in order to syllable the words. Now, what does syllable mean? Syllable mean to split the word into parts. In order to split the word into parts, I need to follow some rules, as we know that English is full of rules. But in today's lesson, we are going to focus on 3 rules only. These are the 3 rules that we need in our lesson today. Let's see rule number 1. What does rule number 1 says? 2-syllable words with double consonants. Now look at the word suffer. Look at the word suffer. First, locate the double consonant. Now, in order to follow rule number 1, we have 3 steps. Step number 1, look at the word. Step number 2, locate the double consonant. Step number 3, how to break the word into syllables. Exactly. Separate the 2 consonants. Separate the double consonants. Split in between double consonants. Suffer. This is how you divide a word into syllable according to our rule number 1. Before we start our rule number 2, let's practice together rule number 1. Accent, lesson, suffix. First, look at the word. Second step. Now the second step says what? Locate the double consonants. Exactly. Step number 3, split in between double consonants. Accent, lesson, suffix. Good job. How many syllables do I have here? Two syllables. Accent. How many syllables do I have here? Two syllables. Lesson. How many syllables do I have here? Two syllables. Suffix. Now, I think you mastered rule number 1. So, we can move to rule number 2 easily. Now, what does rule number 2 says?